Even though the fluffy flicking brush is a very common tool in the dip system, it's perfect for helping you effortlessly achieve the simplest ombre nails. The blush twinkle paired so well with the radiant rose glitter, creating such a seamless gradient effect that it feels like they were made for each other. The ombre effect must be one of the simplest dipping nail designs, but I've got some pro-level tips to help you achieve the perfect and flawless nail look seamlessly. For both the base layer and the gradient effect, the liquid should always be applied as thin and even as possible to avoid bulky or clumps when dipping the powder. The best practice to achieve the most natural ombre effect is to pick up the shimmer or glitter in one go. Multiple attempts at pickup might leave you with disappointing artwork. More attention to ensure the brush moves or repeats right in the gradient area. Otherwise, you may have to make a great effort to scrape sparkles off from the remaining parts with any precision tool. It's flexible to dip with clear powder or not, since the superfine powder and self-leveling liquid always deliver you smooth nail surface, but also it's very depending on your skills. Allow 1 or 2 more layers of activator and an even longer time gap to get all material dried completely to make sure the final nail looks come out as perfect as you desired. Let's get started.